Let's do a real-time Bitcoin update. These are the key numbers you have to take a look at and remember. 74.30 and 69.23. It's unlikely that we'll get down to 69.23. 74.30 is going to be, for now, the most likely target. Even though we have a cipher. The cipher, it's kind of hard to negate a cipher. It really is hard to negate a cipher. If you start seeing the cipher pattern develop, it normally likes to come to fruition and actually hit that final point. What's interesting though, if we do hit this 69.23 point, the actual bounce target is 74.30. So whether we go down here and hit this number, or whether we go from here directly and hit this number and bounce upwards and just rocket up from here, well, this is a key number, 74.30 on BitMex. So on Coinbase it'll be different, on Binance it'll be different, but that's kind of what it looks like right now. This is a work in progress right now. We're uncertain. I mean, we could go straight up from here. We really could go straight up from here, but it's looking like 50, let's say 51%. And as we get more clarity, we'll upload more videos if we have time.